Calculating a directory's size using Python? Before I reinvent this particular wheel, has anybody got a nice routine for calculating the size of a directory using Python? It would be very nice if the routine would format the size nicely in MB/GB etc.
This walks all subdirectories, summing file sizes. And a one-liner for fun using os.listEditor does not include subdirectories. Reference: os.path.getSize gives the size in bytes, os.walk, os.path.ilink. Updated to use os.path.getSize, this is clearer than using the os.stat st_size method. Thanks to GhostDog74 for pointing this out. os.stat st_size gives the size in bytes. Can also be used to get file size and other file-related information. Update 2018. If you use Python 3.4 or previous, then you may consider using the more efficient walk method provided by the third-party scanner package. In Python 3.5 and later, this package has been incorporated into the standard library, and os.walk has received the corresponding increase in performance. Update 2019. Recently I've been using pathlib more and more. Here's a pathlib solution.
Some of the approaches suggested so far implement a recursion, others employ a shell or will not produce neatly formatted results. When your code is one-off for Linux platforms, you can get formatting as usual, recursion included, as a one-liner. Except for the print in the last line, it will work for current versions of Python 2 and Python 3. Is simple, efficient, and will work for files and multi-level directories.
Using pathlib, I came up with this one-liner to get the size of a folder. And this is what I came up with for a nicely formatted output. Usage. I also came across this question, which has some more compact and probably more performance strategies for printing file sizes.
Here is a recursive function. It recursively sums up the size of all subfolders and their respective files, which returns exactly the same bytes as when running do sb. In Linux, where the means the current folder